Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be learning Hebrew through sentences. This method not only helps you expand your vocabulary, but also gives you a deeper understanding of the language structure, just like how children naturally learn to speak. So, without further ado, let's begin. To say, he is my best friend. Say, הוא החבר הכי טוב שלי. הוא, he, החבר, the male friend, הכי, most, טוב, good, שלי, of mine. To say, she is my best friend. Say, היא החברה הכי טובה שלי. He, she, החברה, the female friend, הכי, the most, טובה, good, singular female, שלי, of mine. To say, I need to talk to you. As a male speaking to a male, say, אני צריך לדבר איתך. אני, I, צריך, need, singular male, לדבר, to talk, איתך, with you, singular male. And as a female speaking to a male, say, אני צריכה לדבר איתך. To say, I need to talk to you, as a male speaking to a female, say, אני צריך לדבר איתך. אני, I, צריך, need, singular male, לדבר, to talk, איתך, with you, singular female. And as a female speaking to a female, say, אני צריכה לדבר איתך. To say, I received an invitation to a wedding, say, קיבלתי הזמנה לחתונה. קיבלתי, I received, הזמנה, an invitation, לחתונה, to a wedding. To say, Michael invited me to his wedding, say, מיכאל הזמין אותי לחתונה שלו. מיכאל הזמין, invited, singular male, אותי, me, לחתונה, to the wedding, שלו, of his. To ask, what happened? Ask, מה קרה? מה, what, קרה, happened, singular male. To ask, what happened to you? When speaking to a male, say, מה קרה לך? מה, what, קרה, happened, לך, to you, singular male. To ask, what happened to you? When speaking to a female, say, מה קרה לך? לך, to you, singular female. To say, I promise. As a male, say, אני מבטיח. אני, I, מבטיח, promise, singular male. And as a female, say, אני מבטיחה. אני, I, מבטיחה, promise, singular female. To say, I'm happy for you, as a male speaking to a male, say, אני שמח בשבילך. אני, I, שמח, happy, singular male, בשבילך, for you, singular male. And as a female speaking to a male, say, אני שמחה בשבילך. To say, I'm happy for you, as a male speaking to a female, say, אני שמח בשבילך. אני, I, שמח, happy, singular male, בשבילך, for you, singular female. And as a female speaking to a female, say, אני שמחה בשבילך. To ask, when do we need to be there? Say, מתי אנחנו צריכים להיות שם? מתי, when, אנחנו, we, צריכים, need, plural males, להיות, to be, שם, there. To say, could be, as in, it's possible, say, יכול להיות. יכול להיות. To say, could not be, as in, it's not possible. Say, לא יכול להיות. לא יכול להיות. To say, I am memorizing Hebrew vocabulary. As a male, say, אני משנן אוצר מילים בעברית. אני, I, משנן, memorize, singular male, אוצר מילים, vocabulary, בעברית, in Hebrew. And as a female, say, אני משננת אוצר מילים בעברית. To say, I'm memorizing words every day. As a male, say, אני משנן מילים כל יום. אני, I, משנן, memorize, singular male, מילים, words, כל, every, יום, day. And as a female, say, אני משננת מילים כל יום. To say, it's not easy. Say, זה לא קל. זה, it's, לא, not, קל, easy. To say, I don't think so. Say, לא, נראה לי. לא, not, נראה, seem, לי, to me. To say, it's important to me. Say, זה חשוב לי. זה, it's, חשוב, important, singular male, לי, to me. To say, it's not important to me. Say, זה לא חשוב לי. זה, it's, לא, not, חשוב, important, singular male, לי, to me. To say, this is my opinion. Say, זו דעתי. זו, this, singular female, דעתי, my opinion. To say, that's your opinion, when speaking to a male, say, זו דעתך. זו This, singular female, דעתך, your opinion, singular male. And when speaking to a female, say זו דעתך. זו דעתך. To say, may you be blessed. When speaking to a male, say תבורך. תבורך. And when speaking to a female, say תבורכי. תבורכי. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.